Good day, Sir Sultan. Today I'm going to present assignment 1 for Introduction to Counselling and Guidance. Before I start my presentation, I would like to introduce myself. My name is PAVITHRA daughter of SOLAIAPPAN and my ID number 012023070211. Okay, let me start my presentation with the introduction. Today, I will be present on my topic of counseling as a unique helping relationship. Guidance and counseling help individuals understand themselves to deal with the personal challenges. In today's world, many people will be the experience with the emotional, social, and physical problems that affect with their daily life. Counseling provides a safe environment where individuals can express their feelings and receive a professional support. The main goal of the counseling is to help an individual to achieve a personal development and improve their mental well-being. Next, concept of unique. In counseling, the relationship between the counselor and the client is called a helping relationship. This relationship is a professional and focuses on helping clients to understand their problem and improve their well-being. This builds on the trust, respect, empathy, and cooperation. It is considered a unique because it is different from the normal relationship such as friendship or the family relationship. The counselor guides the client to find their own solution rather than giving the direct advice. Now I move to the roles of the good counselor. A good counselor has several important roles. First, the counselor must listen carefully to the client's concern. It will be help the client to feel understood. Second, the counselor helps clients identify and understand their problems. Third will be the counselor provide emotional support and encouragement during the difficult situation. Finally, counselor guide the clients to make their own decision and support their personal development. Next, I move to the characteristics of a good counselor. To build a strong counseling relationship, counselor need to certain qualities. One of the important characteristics is the empathy, which means understanding the client's feelings. Another important quality is patience because the counseling takes time. Next will be the counselor must also practice the active listening and maintain a non-national attitude to clients feel comfortable and sharing their problems. Counseling skill in the helping relationship. Counseling use several skills to support their clients. One of the skills to active their listening, which help the counselor understand the clients better. Counselor also open-ended questions to encourage the clients to explain their feelings. Other skills include the paraphrasing, reflecting feelings, and giving encouragement, which help the client to feel the better understanding. Next, I continue with the ethical principles in counseling. Ethical principles are important in counseling to protect the clients and maintain the professionalism. One key principle is confidence, which means client information must be kept private. Another principle is respect for the client autonomy, meaning clients have the right to make their own decision. Counselor must also maintain the professional boundaries and act with the honesty and responsibility. Next, I continue with the importance of the helping relationship in counseling. The helping relationship is the foundation of the success counseling. When the client trusts the counselor, they feel safe to express their emotions and the concern. This relationship encourages the self-awareness, emotional expression, and the personal growth. It also helps the clients to develop the coping skill to manage their life's challenges. Now I move to the challenges in the counseling relationship. However, the counseling relationship may face some challenges. For example, clients might be integrity to the difference to trusting the counselor. There may also to be communication barriers or the cultural differences. Some of the clients may also show their emotional resistance and feel uncomfortable discussing for the personal issues. In conclusion, counseling is an important professional process to help the individual overcome the personal challenges. It's helping a relationship between the counselor and the client is unique because it is based on the trust, empathy, and the ethical practice. With the right skill and the characteristics, counselor can support each and individual in achieving the personal growth and the emotional well-being.